Anup, from your side, if any questions. Venkat, you are in the class. Where are you?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Hello.
600 mm, 0.6 meter will achieve this Earth mass. So in some sites, what we'll do is 0.6 meter. In some sites, as you said, 0.6 to 2.5 meter. And
I'll come,
so
Venkat.
does this vary? Okay.
This point I will come later on. This point I will come in the depth selection. I will.
Okay.
Do not ask the first further. If so far what we have discussed in that any doubt that we can put up. Yeah, Vinod, let me come to you because you are very much concerned that about the class. Vinod.
Raghav, no problem. I understand. Can proceed.
Yeah, proceed now. Because you are some concern with the class that if the participant is like 15 or 20, then whether I am able to understand or not.
It's okay.
Like,
It's okay. No problem. Yeah. It's okay.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So now, we are discussing so far only the basics uh, for the earthing. So the earthing method for the industries, buildings, we make the earth pit, and for the services as we chart, we make the common grounding matter grid. So earthing matter for the power plants, same that we use for the industry, same method we use for the power plants. We make the earth pits, and now is starting the earthing calculations for any substations or any switch charts. Yeah. So earthing calculations going to start for any substation. Earthing calculation. For the earthing, we have the two standard. One is the I triple
80.
Yeah, 80. Second is the Indian standard IS 3043. So this two standard we have for the earthing. This standard we use for the earthing calculations for any substations IEEE, and it is used across the world. Like in the Afghanistan, same standards.
Yes.
We follow. Yeah. So we take up this IEEE as the reference standard for the earthing calculations. And for the earthing calculations, what inputs we required. First, we required that where we are, so where we are going to make my substations, what is the available land length, available land width, and the total area of the substations. So
area of the switcher.
Yeah, area of the switchyards. So this length, width, and area. This is the first input as a design engineer we required. Second, and one more point one more approach I want to take up, that we all are the project design engineer. So we are not working on that on the principles only, that what is the concept. We have to apply this concept in the practical, in the calculations. So we take up some project as the reference, and we do the calculations for that project. Right now? So
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this length and width and area, from which document you will get. overall overall electrical layout, right? No, electrical layout.
Yes, sir. Electrical layout. After electrical layout, the land will be clear area.
Yeah, in the electrical layout, what land we have acquired, so this land is clear, so from that layout we get this information. So let me open some project. I think for class, I think 132 kilo voltage service stations layout. Yeah, so this is the earthing layout that we have. So what is the land we have taken? So this land we can estimate. Yeah, 126 right now. So this small this drawing also I will share with all of you. This is the 132 by 33 kilovoltage substations drawing. It's the control room. This is the yard that we have. This is the transformer we have shown, and here we have connect the equipments, and we have connect this equipment with the common grounding grid. So what is the common grounding grid? This point is clear now. To others who have not worked in the substations, I need reply to others who are new in the substations, like Vinod, you are new. Joshi, you are also new for the substations. Previously working already. Subham, yeah, I think you have worked. Yeah, it is clear now what is the grounding mat or grounding grid. Because we are discuss this topic the next word or 2 hours. So this, what is the grid? So this word and the concept should be clear. Yeah, so I need to open the Google image.
Yes, sir. Please.
Yeah, so substation. What earthing. Image. This is some example of the grid. Like this we make in the substations below the ground. You can see we have and we have taken the risers. Like this is the risers.